Welcome to the Grading Sneak Peek. IMAGINiT Technologies offers live online courses that introduce each student to basic concepts and commands needed to help implement and launch them into Civil 3D's grading content creation and grading object environment. By completing IMAGINiT Civil 3D's grading course, students become familiar with using Civil 3D to create a grading solution, become familiar with the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the Civil 3D software to create grading solutions. Completion of this course enables a student to create gradings plans using feature lines, corridors, and grading objects. Grade to individual parcels and learn alternative methods of creating a grading solution. How to use a combination of feature lines, corridors, and grading objects to design a solution for managing a design's drainage management. How to combine area solutions into a single surface representing an overall grading plan. And an introduction to the concepts used by the grading optimization tool that is a part of the Civil 3D grading family. How to view the results of a design in both Civil 3D and in Autodesk InfraWorks. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. In this class, each student becomes more familiar with the design tools and settings for the Civil 3D grading methodologies that students need to use and understand in their daily workflow. Each attendee accesses Civil 3D through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to familiarize and assist each trainee to thoroughly understand how to use the software. Our team at Ascent has developed topics and exercises to help students understand workflows, methods, and tools that create grading solutions. The class starts with a review of the grading feature line and grading's object styles and labels. A review of feature lines, their creation, managing them, and editing their geometry and elevations. The use of the ribbons feature line, edit geometry, and edit elevation commands. To explore and apply Civil 3D tools and strategies to create a grading solution from the beginning to the final solution using feature lines. To explore alternatives to grading a parking lot by feature lines by using instead a corridor. The appropriate use of grading objects when creating a grading solution. How to develop a pond grading solution using a combination of feature line, corridor grading solution tools. Applying grading strategies to Civil 3D parcels. Strategies for combining surfaces into an overall grading solution. A basic introduction to InfraWorks and how to use the software to view and evaluate a grading solution. Each student will discover how to develop and incorporate AutoCAD entities into feature lines and grading objects. Learning how a feature line acts when in a site or not in a site. How to draw or convert AutoCAD entities into feature lines. How to extract feature lines from corridors. Applying the geometry and elevation editing tools to existing feature lines. Using temporary surfaces to incorporate slopes or grades into a design. How to use various grading editing tools to avoid incorrect solutions. using feature lines as baselines to create a grading solution using a corridor. Apply feature lines and corridors to create a grading solution. How to use grading design tools when working with Civil 3D parcels, and how to communicate a grading design to stakeholders using combined surfaces or Autodesk InfoWorks. In each class session, our experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Civil 3D grading tools function and create a solution. This class, its information and exercises, gives students confidence to incorporate the grading software into their daily work tasks. This knowledge helps to alleviate fears that come with working with new software and new workflows. This class gives the student familiarity with the tools and alternatives to tackling daily obstacles and help the students move forward in solving a work problem that they face more effectively and successfully. Upon completing this course, technicians, designers, and managers alike gain confidence with a deeper understanding of the grading design tools and encourages them to explore alternative methods to creating a grading solution. The students' greatest familiarity of workflows, content creation, and editing tools allow the students to easily move through any design project content and allows a broader set of tools to be applied to solve the grading solutions more and easier. At the completion of this class, the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees is reduced. With a student understanding the software's organization and tools, a student is prepared for the assigned tasks in their daily work. IMAGINiT Technologies Civil 3D Land Development Grading course equips students with the necessary capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically challenging environment and familiarizes the students with the fastest and greatest design software.